like seeking leading to liberation is like when you seek our right context, because you are seeking, because you are listening to life, because the only purpose of life is to seek, life itself will teach you. Like how in the Kathopanishad it says Shraddha Vivesha. So when like Nachiketa was sitting, because his interest, because his seeking started like taking over him, even the Shraddha just started taking over him. So that's when he got the enlightened experience and he was enlightened. So same way when your seeking is so high, when you're intense in your seeking, when you're authentic in your seeking, the truth itself will just take over you and you'll get liberated. So that's what I feel.
And what I understand as seeking itself is like when your ideas about yourself, others and life goes on maturing. So more and more, like whenever you align yourself back again and again to what, so like how Swami is telling us and how Upanishad Rishis are describing about us, then automatically the cognition you have about life and others will just start maturing more. So because of that, even you start maturing more and more and more. So more and more you reinvent yourself, and more you'll see the possibility in others also. So it becomes like a virtuous cycle. So at one point you'll realize that all the four images will just be aligned and you'll experience that space of Shivoham. So which is the ultimate liberated space which you can experience. So this is how I understand, like more and more seeking, it leads you to liberation.
While you align your inner image to the space of Mahadeva, then while you project the space of Mahadeva outside, you will also start, others also start feeling that you are radiating Mahadeva. At last, all the four images will be aligned and you will be authentic.
My name is Rupa. I'm from Sunnyvale, which is close to San Jose in California, USA. And I work as a manager in one of the world's largest companies, which is across 180 countries. So you can guess the name. So I'm here for the Shivoham process for the 7 days. So I just came in, I know that this is the best vacation I can have. So I stopped going to Hawaii. So I just come here for my vacation whenever I want to. I don't want to spend time and give business to Hawaii. I would rather come here and enjoy the real vacation. Yeah. So Third Eye Awakening process was amazing. Actually, it was like so much fun. And like the whole process that is happening is like, we can't even explain words. It's like speechless. We had a lot of fun in learning to read like kids. Swamiji made us look like kids learning to read. And at the same time, I could see when the process, when he's awakening the third eye, I could see the whole process happening where he is not only cleansing all our incompletion blockages, at the same time infusing the love current in us. Swamiji actually, when the third eye awakening was happening, I could see the Atmalinga rotating around my third eye in one of the process, and now it continues for every process. And the Rudra Homa, during the Rudra Homa, I was just thinking, okay, let me see what I can see through my third eye. I could see Shiva. Again, I'm not imagining. I could see Shiva and all Devatas coming and taking the offering when the mantras were happening. Again, I was not listening to mantras, but I could see the Devatas. And when Swamiji confirmed, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, third eye is working. It was a great feeling after the Homa. So I saw the vision, and then I just felt like, oh my God, now I understand why Shiva closes the eyes. And that becomes my preferred state. After the Homa, I just wanted to close my eyes, and I saw the Omkara happening inside me with the silence and bliss and the love current of Mahadeva. It's amazing, and we all know, only Swamiji can make us play like kids and make us Shiva at the same time. We don't need to do anything. All that we did is we came, we played, we ate nicely, and then we came here and we are in the hall. Just because we are in the hall, Mahadeva is making us Mahadeva. So this is a great invitation to all the participants, all the audiences out there. Please come and enjoy, because there's no work from your side. It's just the work from our Mahadeva. Thank you so much, Swamiji.